A malfunctioning garage door can turn your daily routine into a frustrating ordeal. Don't let it happen to you. The circuit board is the brain of your garage door opener, ensuring smooth and safe operation. If your garage door stops responding or opens unexpectedly, a bad circuit board may be the culprit. Common signs include non-functional remotes and burning smells, indicating potentially severe issues within the system. Moisture, age, and even pests can cause critical failures in your garage door's circuit board over time. Ignoring these symptoms risks complete failure or safety hazards, leaving your home vulnerable. While DIY repairs are tempting, they can void warranties and sometimes worsen the problem significantly. Professional technicians perform thorough inspections to ensure every component is functioning and safe. Selecting a qualified repair company in Southlake can prevent future issues and maintain optimal safety. Act immediately when you notice signs of malfunction. It's better to be safe than sorry with home repairs.